So someone asked one of the band members what this song was about. They were like, is it about the war? Is it about the band breaking up? And he was like, no, it's about happiness. Ukulele wine time. And this kind of goes to back to that idea of, oh, I'll be happy when, or I'll be happy if this happens. So the band was doing really well. Their songs were hitting the tops of the charts, but everybody was still depressed and kind of dissatisfied. So kind of, and that's where that "it'll rain a sunny day" line comes in. So that's what he shared. So a good reminder to maybe think about how we can be happy where we are right now without waiting for something to happen. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you the verse chords and the chorus chords, and then we're going to put it all together. I'm going to start with an easy version of the chorus, and then I'll give you a level up. So if you're interested in leveling up those chords, doing kind of the bass walk down that the song goes through, I'll put that at the end. So don't miss that if you're ready for that level up. Also, if you're like, why is this woman drinking wine while we're playing ukulele? This is ukulele wine time, where we drink wine and learn songs together on the ukulele. If that sounds like your vibe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. Also, my name is Kathryn. I have my master's degree in music. I've been teaching music for over 10 years. If you're looking for beginner ukulele tutorials that are calm and super fun but also very good, I'm going to challenge you still, you're in the right place. Okay, let's jump in. We're going to start with the verse. You just need 2 chords for the verse, C and G. So we do need to count or feel our heartbeat of the song. So we're in 4 here. Okay, so each of these chords is going to get 4 beats. We've got 4 bars or measures of C. That means we count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times for C. 2 bars of G and 2 bars of C. The more you get familiar with this kind of musician language, the easier learning these songs will be. This is how musicians speak. So 4 bars of C, 2 bars of G, 2 bars of C. Let's try it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2. Here's to our G, G, 2, 3, stay there. G, 2, 3, back to C, C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That's the verse. Let's try that again. So that's our first very basic strumming pattern, just a downstroke. If you want to level it up from there, you can actually play that heartbeat of the song, or 4 downstrokes. So you're playing 1 stroke on every beat. C, 2, 3, 4. So let's try that together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3. Here's our G chord coming up. G, 2, 3, 4. Stay there. G, 2, 3. Back to C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. Woo, okay, that's our verse. If you're ready to level up your strumming pattern, you can play a basic ukulele strumming pattern that's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? And so that's a 1 measure strumming pattern, which means for those 4 beats, or for that 1 measure of C, those 4 beats, C, 2, 3, 4, you play that pattern 1 time. So for our 4 bars of C, you're going to play the pattern 4 times, and then 2 times G, and then 2 times C. Let's try that once together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, C. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, here's our G chord, G. Up, down, down, up, down. Back to C. Down, getting into the chorus. Okay, so that's the verse. Wherever you're at, strumming pattern, you can pick the basic, just 1 downstroke, or you can do the 4 downstrokes on the beats, or you can do the down, down, up. Okay? You got this. Now we're gonna look at the chorus. So we need 4 chords for the chorus. So we need F, G, C, and A minor. And we are gonna stick with our 4 beats per chord. So this is an easy version of the chorus. I mentioned earlier that I'll give you a level up on that. So for now, just know that this is the easy version. And that's the order of our chords too. It's F, G, C, A minor. So we do that twice, okay? 4 counts, 4 beats per chord, or one bar of each, 1 measure of each. And then we do F, G, and then 2 bars of C. Okay, so I'm going to take you through that whole thing now. I'll put it on the screen for you. You can choose whichever strumming pattern you would like. I'm going to do 4 downstrokes for now, just to keep us on track with that heartbeat of the song. Here we go. 1, 2, start with F. F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Here comes A minor, 2, 3. And keep that finger there, and just add your F finger, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 3, 4, back to F, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, back to C, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. All right, and that's basically the whole song. We've got verse, chorus, verse, chorus, chorus. Y'all been working really hard. I think it's time for a wine break. Whatever you're drinking, wherever you are, whatever time of day it is, it's so cool that you're here learning this song, taking time out of your day to be creative, to make some music. That's what being human is all about. It's being creative and finding that joy in the everyday. So cheers to you. Cheers to your creativity. Once again, if you've stumbled across my little channel, we play ukulele, we drink wine while we do it. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time, and please hit the like button below. It really helps out my little baby channel, so thank you so much. We're gonna put the verse and the chorus together now. We're gonna use the strumming pattern, our down, down, up, down, up pattern. You can do this, I know you can. Take a sip of wine or whatever if you need it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down. Here's our G chord. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. And then we repeat that for the verse one more time. Okay, here is that alternate chord progression if you want to level up the chorus just a little bit. So this is that chord walk down that you hear in the song that goes da Okay, so this is gonna help you kind of imply that chord movement on the ukulele. So maybe without a bass player, you're just playing it by yourself around the campfire, which we love to do. Okay, so the first part is the same. It's 4 beats of F, 4 beats of G, or 4 counts of G, and then this is where it's different. So instead of just going C to A minor, we're gonna go C to G to A minor to G to, and then to F. Okay, so let's put that all together. I'm just gonna play the first line from the chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. Here we go. C, 2, G, 2, A minor, 2, G, back to F, 2. Let's do that again. G, 2, 3. Here we go. C, 2, G, 2, A minor, 2, G, 2, F, 2, 3, 4, G. And the last part is the same. 3, 4, and then 2 bars of C. 2, 3, 4. And here's where the lick happens. 2, 3, 4. Okay? So if you want to do an alternate version of the chorus, there you have it. Okay, here's the intro to this song. So we start with A minor for 4 beats, F, C, G, C, G. I'm going to show you a simple version of that, and then I'll show you a level up that has the rhythm of the song in it. Okay, so let's just start with the simple version, 4 beats per chord. Here we go. And I'm going to do the down, down, up, down, up, down strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up. F, C. Here's where that lick happens. C, G, 2, 3, 4. Verse. Okay? And then if you're ready to level up from there, you can add a little, and that's just a down, up, down. Okay? So it's adding before that strumming pattern. So it'll sound like this. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Here we go. Down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, verse. If you're interested in learning that little walk down melody, I show you that in the play along video where we put it all together. Okay, there you have it. There's the intro. You guys, you are so amazing. Thank you so much for being here, learning the song with me, maybe sharing a glass of wine with me. It's just so cool that you're spending moments of your day learning music. That is so freaking awesome. If you found this video helpful, please, again, click the like button below or cheers the like button below, up to you. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time, more songs, more ukulele tutorials for beginners. All right, I hope to see you soon. Bye. Ukulele wine time. Okay, here's a brief overview of the chords. So first up, we need a C chord. Oh, but let's look at our ukulele finger. So thumb doesn't get a number. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be our 1, 2, 3 ring finger, third finger on the 1, 2, 3, third fret, bottom string closest to the floor. That is our C chord. Next up, we have our G chord. So you're actually going to move this finger over 1 string, same fret. Okay. It's always helpful on the ukulele to know where you're at and where you're going next, to think ahead for that chord movement. Okay, and then we've got our peace sign fingers, fingers 1 and 2 on the 2nd fret, on the 1st string, and the 3rd string, okay? That makes a little triangle on your fretboard. There's our G chord. Okay, let's move next to our A minor. That's gonna be 2nd finger 1, 2, so your middle finger on the 1, 2, 2nd fret. Now this is the top string closest to your face. And then you stay there for your F chord, and then your 1st finger, so skip a string, and then it's gonna be on the 2nd string up from the bottom, from the floor, on the 1st fret. And there's our F chord. Okay, so we've got C, G, A minor, and F. And that's all we need for this song. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I will see you soon. Bye. Ukulele wine time. Oh, thank you, Chirpy Top.